Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy a domain on Godaddy. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so keep watching till the end. So first, visit Godaddy website at godaddy.com. On the homepage, you will find search bar to search for a particular domain. If you have already decided domain name, then that's great. But if you are looking for a domain name ideas, then you can check out my earlier video about finding domain name using ChatGPT. Let's say we have already decided our domain name. Now enter the domain name in the search bar and hit search domain button to check if your desired domain is available. If your domain is available for purchase, you will receive confirmation. But before adding it to your cart, GoDaddy may suggest another domain names and extensions. You can consider securing additional domains if you plan to expand your brand in future. Now, if you are okay with just one domain, then you can proceed by clicking Continue button. On the next page, you will get an option for creating custom email address. This way you can have email address like admin at your selected domain or support at yourselecteddomain.com or .in. Here you will find three options: individual plan, team plan, and no thanks. So if you don't need a custom email address, then simply choose no thanks option and click on continue to cart button. On the next page, you need to select domain registration duration. Click on the drop down and you can select domain registration from 1 year up to 10 years. Let's select 1 year, which is 12 months. If you need professional email or website builder, then click on Get It option, but this is completely optional. In case if you change your mind and wish to not purchase this domain, then you can click this delete icon and the domain will be removed from the cart. On the right side, you will find exact amount that you need to pay for the selected domain. Once everything is done, click on I am ready to pay button. On the next screen, if you already have GoDaddy account, then click on sign in button. And if you are new to GoDaddy, then you can create new account using Google account, Facebook account or any other email address. Next, you will need to provide your billing information. If you prefer to use PayPal, you can log in with your PayPal credentials. Otherwise, complete the required fields, making sure to use the billing address associated with your payment method. On the following page, choose your preferred payment type, which can be credit card, PayPal, or checking account. By default, Auto Renew feature is selected to prevent accidental domain loss. You can adjust this setting later in your account. Double check that your domain name is spelled correctly. This is your last chance to make changes. If necessary, click Edit Order, and if everything is correct, click Complete Purchase. Once payment is completed, your selected domain will be successfully registered with GoDaddy. So that is how you can buy and register domain on GoDaddy. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.